I've been sitting in this quiet, staring at the empty door. Every memory that we made feels louder than before. I can feel you drifting slowly, like you don't need me no more. You used to hold me in the nighttime, whisper secrets in the dark. Now the silence hits like thunder, and the distance leaves a mark. Tell me where your heart is going, 'cause mine's still where you are. If there's something you're not saying, baby, I can hear it plain. But I'm begging you to tell me, yeah, before you walk away again. Don't walk away, don't leave me, girl. You're the only love I've known. If you step out of my life tonight, I'll be standing here alone. Don't walk away, don't leave me, girl. Don't leave me, girl. Don't break a heart that's holding on, 'cause losing you would tear me down. I need you more than you know. I remember how you laughed when I'd pull you in so tight. Now you barely meet my eyes when I'm reaching for you at night. Baby, tell me where you're hurting. Let me make the wrong things right. I can feel you slipping further, like a shadow from the light. But I won't give up on us now, not without a fight. Don't walk away, don't leave me, girl. You're the only love I've known. If you step out of my life tonight, I'll be standing here alone. Don't walk away, don't leave me, girl. Don't leave me, girl. Don't break a heart that's holding on, 'cause losing you would tear me down. I need you more than you know. Oh, if there's a storm inside your heart, baby, let me feel the rain. If you're drowning in your doubts, let me carry all the pain. 'Cause I can't lose you, no, not again. Don't walk away, oh, don't leave me, girl. Please stay, I need you more than you know. Oh.